Today, I am reviewing GIGABYTE B850 AORUS Elite WIFI7. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The GIGABYTE B850 AORUS Elite WIFI7 motherboard is a powerful, cutting-edge platform designed for gamers, creators, and PC enthusiasts who want the latest in performance, connectivity, and durability. Built on the AMD B850 chipset, it fully supports the latest AMD Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors, thanks to its robust socket AM5 design. This motherboard brings high-end features to a mainstream level, making it one of the best options for those upgrading to DDR5 and PCIe 5.0 without breaking the bank. Starting with memory support, the B850 AORUS Elite WIFI7 supports DDR5 RAM up to 5,200 MHz, with a maximum capacity of 128 GB, distributed over 4 DIMM slots. This means you can enjoy lightning-fast load times and smooth multitasking, whether you're gaming, streaming, or working with heavy applications. The motherboard also supports future expansions, ensuring it stays relevant for years to come. Performance is further enhanced by the 14+2+2 power phase design and advanced VRM thermal guards. This combination delivers stable power delivery and efficient cooling even during intense workloads. For those who push their systems to the limit, such as competitive gamers or video editors, this stability can be a game changer. The integrated M.2 thermal guard technology also keeps storage drives cool, ensuring both performance and longevity. Connectivity is where the B850 AORUS Elite WIFI7 truly shines. With 3 M.2 slots, you can install multiple NVMe SSDs for blazing fast storage. It also supports PCIe 5.0, delivering double the bandwidth compared to PCIe 4.0. This future-proofs your system for next-generation graphics cards and storage devices. For wired networking, it offers a 2.5 GB LAN port, which is perfect for high-speed wired connections, and it also includes the latest Wi-Fi 7 wireless technology for extremely fast and reliable wireless networking. The motherboard's USB configuration is equally impressive, with USB-C connectivity, 12 total USB ports, and plenty of options for all kinds of peripherals. Whether you're connecting VR headsets, external drives, or streaming devices, the B850 AORUS Elite WIFI7 makes it effortless. For builders who value convenience, GIGABYTE includes EZ-Latch technology for quick CPU installation, minimizing installation time and reducing the risk of damaging delicate components. Alongside this, the motherboard comes with a user-friendly BIOS and a robust software suite that allows for easy tuning, overclocking, and monitoring of system performance. Aesthetically, the B850 AORUS Elite WIFI7 delivers with a sleek, aggressive design. Its black PCB with modern accents not only looks premium, but also integrates seamlessly with most builds. RGB lighting can be customized to suit your style, adding a personal touch to your setup. Lastly, GIGABYTE offers a 5-year warranty, which is among the best in the industry. This reflects confidence in the quality and reliability of the motherboard and provides peace of mind for users who invest in a high-performance system. In short, the GIGABYTE B850 AORUS Elite WIFI7 is more than just a motherboard. It's a foundation for a future-proof PC. It blends cutting-edge performance with solid build quality, exceptional connectivity, and a host of user-friendly features, making it one of the top choices for AMD system builders in 2025. Whether you're a gamer who wants the fastest refresh rates, a content creator who demands consistent reliability, or someone looking to future-proof your system, this motherboard delivers. The GIGABYTE B850 AORUS Elite WIFI7 sets a high bar for mainstream motherboards.